The next one says coal gas is produced at gas works. Pollutants are removed by scrubbers, which become less and less efficient as time goes on. The following measurements show the rate at which pollutants are escaping in the gas. Note that R is an increasing function. Okay, so first I want to use the left endpoint approximation to approximate the total amount of pollutants that escape during the first 3-month period. Okay, so I want to do a left endpoint approximation with 3 rectangles. So the ends of my rectangles are going to be here, here, and here. And so if I want to do a left endpoint approximation, I'm going to take the width of each of these is 1. And then the height of the first one is going to be, the first rectangle is going to be 2, plus then I'll have 1 times, the height of the second rectangle is going to be 10, plus 1 times the height of the third rectangle will be 27. So I can add that all up. 2 plus 10 plus 27, and I get 39. And the units for that are tons of pollutants. Okay, in your approximation part A, is it an overestimate or underestimate? Explain your response. Well, if I think about it, I'm saying for the first month, I'm approximating that it's 2 tons per month. But as I can see, the rate is increasing over that whole month. So 2 tons per month is an underestimate for the first month. 10 tons per month is an underestimate for the second month because I can see that rate is increasing. So that's an underestimate. And 27 is an underestimate for that third month because I can see that the rates increase over that third month. So I would say it's an underestimate. So it's an underestimate of the amount of pollutants. Because I can see that rate is an increasing function. So if I were to graph it, it would be, some kind of increasing thing. And so left-hand approximations are going to be underestimates. Write an integral that represents the exact amount of pollutants that escape during the 3-month period. So I'm going to integrate from 0 to 3 of this function r of t dt. And I don't have a function for that, so I can't evaluate it.